My role in the job fair today is I'm sort of the behind the scenes guy. I am one of 3 or 4 individuals alive in Nashville who know how to actually schedule the interviews in a fashion that makes sense. I've done that my entire career. I don't have any regrets about the time that I've spent participating in and championing this job fair. It has probably been one of the most valuable experiences, not only of my career, but of my life. Currently, I'm of counsel at Ogletree Deacons. It is a national, or actually an international, employment law firm. I spent the first 15 years of my career practicing at Bolt Cummings, Connors & Berry, which is now known as Bradley Arant Bolt Cummings. My first introduction to Bolt Cummings actually occurred through the National Bar Association's 1L job fair. I interviewed with them, and I was one of the 4 individuals selected for job. I would encourage any 1L to participate in the job fair for a number of reasons. The first reason is you have the opportunity to get an excellent job, as I did. I was fortunate enough to have a 15-year relationship with a law firm that I met through the job fair. The second reason is just the value of going through multiple experiences in terms of interviewing and learning how to present yourself to an employer. So even if you aren't selected for a job through the job fair, the experience of interviewing and meeting folks from different firms is invaluable. And then the final reason is the panel discussion that we have, where you get an opportunity to meet a lot of different attorneys and get their insights and their wisdom and tips about successful practice. And tips about successful interviewing. The practice of law is all about networking. You may have an opportunity to meet the next superstar in the profession. I think employers who are going to participate in the job fair need to come in with an open mind, understanding that they may meet some folks who have a different background than some of the folks that they've traditionally interviewed. I think they need to come in thinking about diversity and the future of the practice and how these individuals can impact not only the practice at their firm, but the culture of their firm. That commitment is certainly worthwhile. I hopefully am a good example of the types of folks that you can meet in this job fair. We best serve our clients when we have individuals who are talented, creative, but come from different backgrounds, different circumstances, whether racial, gender, sexual orientation, what have you. When we have folks that have different perspectives and can look at the legal issues that confront our clients from a variety of different perspectives, we best serve our clients, to whom much is given, much is expected, and it has been an absolute pleasure every moment, sometimes frustrating, sometimes hilarious, but every moment that I've spent in this job fair has been well worth it, and I wouldn't change any of it.